Hi guys, welcome to CATIA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a valve design and how to this body is designed and how to this body is assembled here, and all parts is one by one is designed here easily and clearly, and last is this body is assembled here easily, and also motion and animation also discuss here. Guys, this is a front view and this is a top view and this is a isometric view, and first part is this, and this is a gasket, and gasket is a inside use here, and how to this gasket is designed here easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter. And okay, this is a final product is this is a final project is designed here, and all parts is one by one, and last is this body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay guys, so let's start here. This gasket body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Then today discuss here this body is designed and all dimension is and all geometry is available here. Okay, this is a perfect and isometric is also this is better. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and part is some important point is discussed here, and this is use a plain white. Okay, and going to option and document properties and image quality, because all geometry is looking perfect. This is the image quality is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and this geometry is available here to drafting. Okay, front view is this 25 millimeter dia, and this is a 25 millimeter dia is same here, and this is a thickness is 3 millimeter, and this is a inside circle is drawing here and 6 millimeter dia, and this big circle is a 25 millimeter dia. Okay, okay, at first select a plane is a top plane is better and perfect. Okay, at first circle is a two circle is drawing here one by one. Okay, and align this dimension 25 millimeter, and this small circle is a 6 millimeter dia. This diameter is 6 millimeter and this diameter is a 25 millimeter, and this is a black color means this is a fully defined. And okay, and going to feature and extrude boss is apply here, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a drawing here easily, and going to appearance is this is appearance, and this is going to rubber, and rubber is a matte rubber, and matte rubber is a perfect and correct, because this is a washer is also, and this gasket is also perfect and correct. Use inside assemble body. This body is a inside use here. Okay, and this is a perfect, all is drawing here easily and clearly. Okay guys, all point is discussed here is correct, and I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.